This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a Lime scooter. First, download the official Lime app onto your smartphone from your app store, then create an account and link your preferred payment method securely. After setting up, use the in-app map to easily locate available scooters nearby, checking for adequate battery levels. Select a scooter, then simply scan its QR code with your phone to begin your adventure and unlock it. Before you even think about starting your ride, conducting a quick safety check is absolutely crucial. Always prioritize your safety by wearing a helmet, even for short distances. Squeeze both brake levers to confirm they are responsive and working effectively. Visually inspect the tires for any visible damage or signs of low pressure. Finally, make sure the kickstand is completely up and secure before you push off. Riding a Lime scooter is quite intuitive once you get the hang of it. Begin by placing one foot firmly on the scooter's deck, then use your other foot to push off 2 or 3 times, just like a skateboard. Once you have a little momentum, gently press the thumb throttle on the right handlebar to accelerate smoothly. Keep a firm, but relaxed, grip on the handlebars, allowing you to steer easily by leaning slightly and turning. Always keep both feet on the deck once you are moving. Prioritizing safety extends beyond just pre-ride checks. It involves how you ride as well. Always obey all local traffic laws, just as you would in a car or on a bicycle, and respect traffic signals. Stay highly aware of your surroundings, constantly checking for pedestrians, parked cars, and other vehicles. Use clear hand signals to indicate your intentions, such as turning left or right, or slowing down. Ride predictably, avoiding any sudden swerving or abrupt stops, keeping a safe distance from others.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.